Hey, good morning. Today is Saturday. And let me make sure I have my keys. Oh no, where's my keys? Oh, I left them in here. I got my pad with me, so the camera's gonna be a little weird for a second. So today is Saturday. Today is demo day at one of the properties that I have under contract. It's kind of a weird scenario. The sellers are actually paying for the rehab. I just gotta hire the contractors or do it myself. We're about to head over to the house to go get started on this demo. The trash can was delivered yesterday out at the property. So that's what we're gonna go do. But we're gonna keep it a light rehab. We are on a budget. Not necessarily on a time restraint, but we are on a budget. The previous tenants lived in there and they basically destroyed the home that the sellers built a long time ago. And now she wants to restore it so that, you know, she's comfortable and all the time that she put into this house isn't necessarily wasted. So that's when I come into play. I'm like, hey, let's restore your home. Let's get it back to the way, you know, it was, or better than what it was. And then, you know, we'll get the house sold. There we go. So we made it out here. About to go say hey to everyone really quick.
Hi, good morning.